You heard that? I heard something. Okay. If anybody's here, hello. My name is Frankie. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I've done a video, but since we're on a trip, a family trip, I figured I should get back to it. So today we are in Tennessee. There's Sarah, Michelle all the way over there, Rolly, he's the newest member of the family. He's a little white dog. But yeah, so we're walking on the first trail of the day, and hopefully we get to see some waterfalls. Rolly, 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 Rolly. Okay, fine. Don't listen to me. I see how it is. It looks like we're at a dead end. Are we at the right place? Oh, okay. We have to go downhill. We have to go down there. You can't go any further? I know, right? Okay. Alright, so it looks like we have to go that way? I don't think so. I think we gotta go that way. So that trail that we went on was a bus. We didn't find anything. It led us to a dead end. Looks like the Niagara Falls. Oh, this is it? Wow. That's true. It's the old cotton mill that was active since 1892 to 1902. I like history, so this is quite interesting. Hey, Burley, what in the world? Boy, what you doing? Say cheese. Burley.
Queso.
Burley.
Fresco.
Say cheese.
Alright, let's go. Come on.
All right, let's keep walking.
I ain't walking over there.
Why not?
I stay right here.
Come on, Michelle. Me and you're gonna explore. It looks like it has locks on it. So this is the old mill. All the windows have the plywood. I wonder if this place is haunted. I really would like to come back and check it out. Oh, man. Look at them, they're scared. They don't want to get near. But it's okay. Come on, Michelle. Let's explore. You want to come explore? Come on, let's go ask some questions. Alright. Alright. Let's just walk. Is there anybody here from the 1800s? Anybody that would like to say something? You heard that? I heard something. Okay. If anybody's here, hello. My name is Frankie. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina, and we're just visiting this lovely place. Thank you, guys. So right across from the mill, we have this little castle looking thing. Looks pretty cool. We're gonna go up there and take some pictures. It's like a little fairy house, huh?
Drink at it again with this logging.
You know it. Got to. So what is it, Michelle? Read it. What is it? What are you looking at? What is it called? Spring Castle? Raleigh! Say hi. That's my dog. Wave. Say hello. Okay, my turn. I was gonna go up there, but there's people taking pictures now. I don't want to be in their way, but little hiking tip. You always gotta be prepared for the worst.
Why?
Because, you know, you never know what you can come across or what kind of thing. Maybe a Bigfoot, maybe a troll. But you always gotta be prepared with pepper spray, just in case. Okay, so now it's my turn. Let's see. Hopefully I don't trip and fall here. Okay. Just a little water. Okay. Getting my cardio in. This is why I'm always on the Stairmaster for situations like this, you know? What are you doing? Careful. Alright, so this is the inside of it. And I have like a little pump here. Does it work? It doesn't work. It looks cool though. Let's look down there. That's the old mill. Alright, we finally made it. This is Twin Falls. And it looks amazing. Wow. Let me walk down here a little bit, show you guys a better view of what I'm looking at. I love nature. I love leaving the city. I'm good. My wife is scared. I'm good. No me regañes. Not on TV. Alright guys, so we made it to our cabin. We're kind of like out in the woods. It's a cute little cabin. There's a farmhouse down there. That's where the owners of the place are located. There's our car. There's more cabins over there. Our cabin is called the Dog House. On our way up here on this gravel road, we saw a whole deer family, so that was pretty cool. But this is it, the Dog House. Let me take you for a little tour. Let's go. I'm sorry the phone is a little shaky.
Come on.
My gimbal died.
Where's your stuff?
It's in the car. I'll get it. All right, here we go. Michelle, give me a tour.
A tool?
Tour. What we got?
Hey,
We got the cream stuff.
Yeah. What do we have?
Cream stuff.
Okay, we got a little fridge right there. We have the mugs. This is our little kitchen.
I don't know what those are.
I don't either, but don't mess with it. Plates.
Yeah.
Okay.
Forks and spoons and stuff.
Okay. Utensils. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. Turn the light on in there. Let's see what we got. Wow.
Oh, I'm stealing these.
Stop. You're not stealing anything.
You're supposed to.
No, you're not. Look at that. This is doggy themed, and it's funny because we brought our dog. Show me the shower. Oh, snap. Okay. That's cool. Alright. Yeah. We have a little microwave, and they left
Popcorn?
They left a dog towel and a bunch of stuff for our dog. So that's pretty neat. We have the closet. Our beds right there, luggage, and then we have oh, we got DVDs, we got books, we got game boards, we got a little TV. You know the air conditioning is gonna be kicking tonight. And a little table.
I'm gonna have to go back here.
And Little note. Let's go out to the back. A little porch right here.
Oh, the hell, but there's no the.
And yeah, this is it. Got the little rocking chairs. Again, our car. And that's our view. Yep, we're gonna enjoy this. What's up, guys? It's day 2 over here at the mountains, and it's 7 in the morning, and there's really using the bathroom. So now I'm starting to hear stuff coming from the woods. It might be a Bigfoot, a Sasquatch. I don't know, but last night I was telling Sarah and Michelle that I heard some growling in the middle of the night. It could have been a Bigfoot, I don't know. But I did not go outside to check it out because, yeah. But I heard something coming from back there. Let's go back inside. You can never go wrong with a good cup of coffee in the mountains. We made it out to another state park, another waterfall that we wanted to see. It is 9:30 and it's very foggy up here, so we can't really see anything. That kind of sucks. I think I just saw somebody walk by. I don't know, but it's, yeah. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at. There it is. Womp, womp, womp. Such a bummer, guys. We're so excited to see this. You can barely see just a little bit right there. Do you see it? You see that? Yeah. That's what I see. This fog needs to go away so we can enjoy nature, so we can enjoy this waterfall. There's the waterfall we were supposed to see, but too much fog. Here's another area of the mountain. Supposed to be another waterfall around here. Let's see how foggy this one's gonna be. Hopefully we can see something. This one's a bit challenging. There's a lot of rocks that we have to step down on, so we just gotta kind of be careful. And Rolly is doing a great job. He's an expert. He's just bouncing from rock to rock like it's nothing. He's waiting for us. With doing all this, I hope that we actually get to see the waterfall, because we're going through these obstacles and we're almost there. Let me show you guys what we're working with over here. Can you see? No? Right there. Over there. It's part of the trail. Let's get down here. Okay. How are we gonna get down here? I don't know, but step right here, right there. Bam. That's how you hike. Wow. This one you can see. That is awesome. That's beautiful. Well, but you can see better than the other one, so that was good. It's fine. Wow. We are high up in the sky. That's gorgeous. She's cool. This little guy did it like it was nothing. Ain't that right? Ain't that right? So what'd you think about the hike?
It was
Good?
good.
Did you come prepared to hike?
Yes.
Why?
What do you mean why?
You're wearing a blanket.
Oh.
Hikers don't wear blankets.
Oh.
You're supposed to tough it out. Weren't you in the Girl Scouts? Didn't you ever go camping or hiking? No? Why? Why are you shy? Don't you want to be a YouTube star? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. There you go, guys. After 10 minutes, it's starting to clear up. You can see more of the waterfall. You can see the mountains right there in the background. Man, it's so beautiful out here, so peaceful to get away from the city, from, you know, your everyday life. I always enjoy coming to the mountains. It's where I relax. This is my high. This is what I love.